Love the hat, darling. It's very racing, isn't it?
Survival.
Survival. Right. Jake, you don't know this person was a vegetarian until not long ago. Right. You question the reddest of meat.
Something I carry into every challenge in MasterChef is my desire to prove to the judges that they haven't made a mistake putting me here. I want them to stop looking at me as a vegetarian who's cooking meat, and I really want them just to see me as a cook.
What's the dish you're cooking?
I'm going to stuff the venison, fill it with sweet leaves and raised beets, roll it, sear it.
You know when you roll something, the risk is that when you colour it and caramelise it on the outside, that's overcooked. And then the bit in the middle, you know, is...
Yeah, I was a bit concerned about that.
I'd be happy with a quick seared piece of venison with some bacon. Yeah.
I feel a bit thrown off. Gary and Jake are not that impressed with my idea. To get that double immunity, cooking well isn't good enough. You have to cook the best.
Ouais.